the National Working Committee, Your Excellency, the Progressive Governor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I think this is the most appropriate place where I should address the whole country. Dear Nigerians, first and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God, who has spared our lives to witness another victory for Nigerian democracy and victory for our fighting cause for Congress. I thank the millions of Nigerians who voted to re-elect me as your president for the next 4 years. I'm deeply humbled and profoundly grateful to you for giving me worthy of continuing to serve you for your peaceful conduct. In particular, I would like to thank Jawabin for his masterful leadership as co-chair of the campaign council. I would like to also thank the party chairman, Adam Ashomole, the Director General of the Campaign Council, Rotimi Amici, Director General of the Campaign Council, Rotimi Amici, Campaign Council and other various support groups. My grateful thanks to all those who contributed to the logistical expenses of the campaign in such a vast country like Nigeria. I also thank the millions of volunteers, self-appointed overseers, canvassers, agents, escorts, and sentries who sacrifice so much of their time and resources to ensure the success of these elections. I do not have the words adequately to thank you. I do not have the words adequately to thank you. Although Saturday's elections were relatively peaceful, to disrupt an otherwise orderly process. Although Saturday's elections were relatively peaceful, troublemakers in a handful of states attempted to disrupt an otherwise orderly process. Security agencies will bring to justice all those arrested in the process. I'm very sad at the grievous loss of life during these elections. Security agencies will step up their efforts to protect the voters in the forthcoming state elections. I would like to commend our security agencies, as severely outstretched as they are, for handling the difficult task of securing the country during the election period. I would like to make a special appeal to my supporters, not to gloat or humiliate the opposition. Victory is enough reward for your efforts. We should thank also our domestic and international observers for contributing to the success of our elections and for their interest in our country and our developing economy. The new administration The new administration will intensify its efforts in security, restructuring the economy, and fighting corruption. We have laid down the foundation and we are committed to seeing matters to the end. We will strive to strengthen our unity and inclusiveness so that no section or group will feel left behind or left out. I thank you for your support and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much. The national anthem.
With love and strength and faith, the labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with hearts and minds, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.